sa gutom. Hawak ng kanyang dala. Dahil sa gutom siya, wala siyang magawa. Tapos yung mama, nagbabakasyon na.
Left her own child alone for hours, which led to days, which led to weeks. The 16-month-old baby was left alone in a pack of play for 11 days with no food, maybe milk, clothing she had on, and the diaper she was wearing. But Candelaria placed more importance on a vacation in Puerto Rico with her boyfriend
Diba? Nagbakasyon
than
na.
the health,
Grabe.
safety, and well-being of her own daughter. Pero nadie sabe cuánto ella estaba sufriendo.
Visit ka. Visit ka,
But
hinahanap
nobody
ka.
knew how much I was suffering.
She weighed 13 pounds, approximately a 7-pound weight loss since her previous doctor's visit less than 2 months prior to that, as her body tried to feed upon itself for nutrients.
You could have saved Jalen's life many times.
Her kidneys had failed, and she was in a state of ketoacidosis, which leads to coma and eventually death.
You could have found someone to watch you.
She was always happy, always playing and smiling.
Her organs, including her liver, kidneys, and thymic gland, showed evidence of stress.
You should spend the rest of your life in a cell without freedom. I'm going to sentence you to life in prison without the possibility of parole.
Diba? No possibility of parole. Tama lang yun sa kanya. Hindi siya deserve maging nanay. Grabe, iniwan mo yung anak mo.
Reappears in front of her house. She goes in and she finds her daughter dead. She takes the time to redress her, and then she calls 911.
Friday, June 16, 2023. Please release it at your telephone immediately prior EMS.
Nagilap dito sa video. Ang nabinggan yung voice. Grabe hilak sa yung anak ko. Mahirap na yung luha. Mara sa sakunan. Grabe, sa bata, Grabe ka ako, gitsubili, no?